Guys, welcome to Will's Custom Garage. Today I'm going to be doing some internet research here. I found a blog that a guy fixed his air suspension on his Audi Allroad with Fix-A-Flat. So I bought some Fix-A-Flat. Let's see if it can fix mine. So, right now it's got two Schrader valves right here and right here, and I'm going to jack it up and squirt some Fix-A-Flat in it. Let's see if that will make it so it holds up air. So stay tuned as I move on. So right now I got my jack all set up. I'm going to lift up the car and take pressure off the airbags and then squirt it, Fix-A-Flat, see if it holds. Okay, so the car's all jacked up. I got my two Schrader valves, rear and front. I'm going to put it on my rear one here. And see if this will fix the leaking. Normally it just leaks out when it wants to, so let's put this in here and see if the guy on the internet actually is able to do it. So now, my next step is I got my air compressor that I use to fill up my airbags, is to put it on the rear one and then air it up to what I normally air it up to and see how it holds. And if it holds for maybe a week, well then I'm going to consider this a success and I'm going to suggest it to everybody. But if it only holds for a little bit, I guess it's longer than it usually does, but it usually stays aired up for about 3 hours, 4 hours or so. So you get enough time to do whatever you're gonna do. But you know, like if you take a long drive and go screwing around all day, you gotta sit there and plug it in and air it up and plug it in and air it up, and I'm sick and tired of it. I will be converting it over to a coilover suspension and doing all that other stuff. I was kind of curious when I seen this guy supposedly fixing his air suspension with Fix-A-Flat. So, here we go. apart for a little bit, so. Well guys, I haven't really tested it. We got it filled up. But if it does what it says it's supposed to do, it usually still tweaks a little bit for, I think it was 3 days or 100 miles, and then you're supposed to get your tire fixed. Well, there's no fixing this unless I start replacing a bunch of stuff that I don't want to replace and I don't want to run air ride. So we'll see how it holds up and see if this guy really did fix his tire, or fix his air suspension with fix it flat. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, we got more stuff that I'm going to be doing, and like and subscribe if you like this video, and there'll be a little bit better videos later on. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you guys.